Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Alrighty, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I just finished my Zoom meeting with a community far east, and it's about 8:02, so it's about 10 o'clock EST. So just about 30 minutes late here. As you can see, NQ, like from market open, it just sold off. Little retracement, but it did not activate us. Because like if I move this to here, my entry is the yellow 70%, just missed it. And you have to keep it the same. Like, it doesn't matter if it's like a little hair away, you can't just like click enter. You have to like place an order, and then you have to let price trigger you in or trigger you out of the order. So but yeah, everything's looking good for NQ to sell off today. Like, look at all the moving averages. On the 5-minute, I am kind of banking on the 5-minute closing below this 13 EMA. So like it'll activate me into this position, and then it'll close below the 13 EMA and then continue to the downside, or I'm going to get my stop loss violated, take a $555 L. So I'm activated in the trade right now. And then I have this setup up here. So yeah, it's kind of the hourly for the 1 hour candle. Just need to create a wick and then probably go down further. But we'll see. We will see. I wonder, visibility. Looks like we might get stop loss activated. We got 16 seconds left in this candle. So as long as it closes below, then I say we're all good. Just gonna check on YouTube how the live stream looks on YouTube. Okay, so I'm live right now. And then let me go on Facebook and see how the live stream is doing on Facebook. Okay, cool. Live on Facebook. And then Instagram is the last one. Like, I think I have to settings, live. Because I know there's a way on StreamYard to also go live on Instagram too, but I don't know. Like, how do I... I don't know. I'll figure out Instagram Live later. At least I'm live on YouTube, I'm live on Facebook. So far the rejection looks good, but yeah, we need the bears to get the hell in here. But like, look at this huge engulfing. That does not look good. We will see. We will see. It'd be nice if price could create new lows, at least on the 1 minute, like close below these wicks. Like that would look good. Or if price could like get below the 50 and the 13. But this also doesn't look good. Like the cross, like we're gonna get a cross on the 13 and the 50. But the 1 minute EMA's moving averages don't really matter as much as the 5 minute. So like the 5 minute is just showing us that it's like momentum is going to the downside. And then it's just a matter of like, did we get a sniper entry? Did we enter too early? What time is it? 8:08, 10:08. I guess I should look. Oh, okay. FOMC member Bowman speaks. So I guess he spoke at 10 a.m. Where's 10 a.m.? Okay, well we are going lower, but we'll see. So we are currently in drawdown, $260. I am in a sell position on NQ on the Nasdaq. I'm trading in the futures market, which is honestly the stock market, the foreign exchange market, the futures market, like it's all candlesticks and stuff like that. And it's all pretty much the same lingo. So it looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here. We'll see. So let's go back to the 5 minute. Yeah, the 5 minute closed above. So I could just like manually close and take like a $400 L instead of like have my full stops hit $555. But what? I don't know. I'm just gonna let it rock. I'm just gonna let it rock. What time is it? 10:08. I mean 10:08. 8:10, not 10:08. Okay. I'm in Mountain Standard Time, by the way, here in Alberta. So for all the people joining from the US, Alberta is just above Montana, the state of Montana. Yeah, looks like we're gonna go up higher. Do I cut my stop loss? Decisions. I'm really thinking of just letting it rock. Like I have like my fib, I have my stop loss, take profit already ready to go. But like I just can't let my emotions get in the way. But then you also have to like manage your trade too. But then my stop loss is so tiny. Like look at this 1 minute engulfing. It just engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4. Engulfed 4 minutes. 4 little bearish candles, 1 bullish candle. Like yeah, momentum price is not looking good. Do I amputate the leg or do I let it get infected? It's literally like so close, like 3 points away from hitting my stop loss. It didn't hit it though. We'll see here. If price can break below this low, then like I'll keep holding. What time is it? 8:12. Let's see this 15-minute. You know, the last few minutes of like the candle price typically creates like a wick. So we'll see what kind of wick forms here. Maybe the wick can come below the 70% level and close. We got 2 minutes here. We're having trouble streaming to Instagram. If you ended it on Instagram, then this is expected. If not, and this continues, try creating a new Instagram stream. We got 1 minute and 40 seconds left. The 5 minutes looking good. Hopefully the 5 minute can close below the 13 EMA. And then I'll just continue to hold. That looks good. That momentum looks good. Got a minute left. Got a minute left on the 15-minute candle and on the 5-minute candle here. We'll see. So on the 5-minute candle, we wanted to close, like the body to close. And then on the 15-minute, we want a wick. Like we want like a nice wick, like this, like a nice, beautiful wick. We'll see. 38 seconds. Nice, nice. Come on. Close below the 70% level. Nice, I'm in profit. 30 seconds left of this 15-minute candle. Down. I was literally like, I should have been stopped out, but I wasn't stopped out. So we got 15 seconds left. Come on, 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 come on. 2 seconds left. All right, so that's already closed on the 5-minute. Not a complete bearish engulfing. But if this current 5-minute candle that's green right now, if that flips bearish and goes red, then it could be a bearish variation. But we'll see. What time is it? So I do have a sales meeting in 30 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll let the trade rock, but I'll mute myself and I'll do my sales meeting. So we're finally in profit because we were like $400+ in drawdown, but we're finally in profit. Yeah, but I'm not celebrating yet. The trade's not over till it's over. Like I'd love to break this low right here at the 38% level. If we can break the 38% level, then we're chilling till this 0% level. We could bounce off the 0% level again because like price melted, came here, then went up here. So like I don't expect price to just like smash through this 0% level. It's just totally up to me how much juice I want to squeeze. Because let's see here. Let me like pretend something. Like how much extra dollars would that be from here to my final target? $445. I'm just checking something out for work, like when my next meeting is. Where's the calendar? Like, where did my calendar go? Okay, there's my ACAL. Okay. So I have another meeting at 9:30. Okay. So I'd love to see, this is what I would love to see. Price game. I wanted to break this low. And I also wanted to break this 38%. So it could bounce off here, could bounce one more time, and then go. Maybe bounce off the 0, bounce back off here, and then to the downside. But we'll see. I could cut my risk in half. So I'm only risking 250 instead of the full 555. Yeah, I'm gonna cut my risk in half. We just need price to continue to the downside and create new lows. I just might have my stop loss too tight. Like it could come up, like kind of like how it did here, come up and then go down. So like, wouldn't be the best to come up, take me out, and then go down. I'd feel kind of like hot dog water, wiener water vibes. What time is it? 8:21. So the 30-minute candle, we've got 8 minutes left. Not looking so good. But I love how the 1 hour candle closed below the 200 moving average, because like it was bouncing off of it, but it just closed below it. So what I'm thinking might happen is like if I do have my stop loss hit, I'll take this from this fib level. This is a 70%. I'll bounce off the 200 on the 1 hour time frame, and then like I'll hit my final target. So yeah, that's what I'll do. But it'd be nice if it just drops down. Like even on the 4 hour, like we're about to get the cross, the 13 and the 50 as a moving average. We're about to get that cross, which is showing us that like price is going to continue to the downside. So like 1 hour, see like we got the cross, the 13 EMA and the 50 moving average. We got that cross, and then like price like went to the downside. And then I say like once we get the cross of the 13 and the 50 crossing the 200, the white moving average, that's when you know like it's going down. So on the 15, we're below the 200. we have the crosses. On the 30, we're below the 200. We have the crosses. On the 5-minute, we're below the 200. We do have the crosses. So it's just a matter of letting price breathe and letting it play out and like not getting in the way. So maybe what I'll do, because like I want to hide it. But then if I hide it, then like it disappears and I don't know how to bring it back. Like I don't know where it went. Like it's gone. I should have just deleted it. But look at that. Let's create a new low. Come on. Let's go. New lows. At least on the 1 minute. I just want to like a lower low. So yeah, on the 5 minute, we do have a bearish variation. So like 1, 2, 3 bearish red candles. So it didn't engulf this one, but it completely went lower than that point. Looking good. Nice, look at that. It's going down. Break below 38%, break below 38%. Let's go. Nice. So right now we are up of 1-to-1 because I was risking 555. We're at 700. So could close, but I'm not going to close. I do see here that this is a 3.49. I do only target a 1 to 3. So that's just below the 0% level. I do have a meeting. I just don't know. Like as long as I'm monitoring the trade and it's like not showing me signs to close at all whatsoever, and like I'll let it rock. But oh, look at this. Damn. What time is it? Damn. Close below 0%. Close below 0%. Let's go. I wanted to smash below the 0%. Smash below this little support. Oh shit. Hit my order. Fill my order. Come on. Shit. This happened before, literally on Friday. It was just like a little sliver away. Price reversed. So I think my final is like 1,700. So I'm at 1,500. Decisions. What I want to do. 828. We'll see. We'll monitor. We have 1 minute, less than 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle. It did break below the 0% level. Hopefully it stays below the 0% level, like it is creating a wick. So there is like some buyers coming in to like create this wick right here. But we'll see. Almost there, 17 something. I don't even know what my final take profit is. Just activate for the live stream. Do it for the live stream. Come on, NQ. I'll move my stops here. 829. Come on. You melted all this way. Might as well just melt like 6 more points. You can do it. I don't even know what my final thing is, so like let me go here. Like what's the dollar amount? Oh, 1795. So basically like 1800, 1775. So honestly, like if I close here, $100 less, like I don't gotta get greedy and shit, you know. It technically did hit my 1 to 3. Oh no, don't want to move that. Cancel that. This one. My 1 to 3 is right here. Right here. It did hit my 1 to 3. So I think what I'll do, like look at prices coming down. I think I'll hit my final targets. But I'm gonna go like this. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. Hit. Nice. Final targets hit on the live stream. Let's go. Damn. That's all I gotta say. Made 1785 today. My account's at 52,510. What can I say? So quick trade recap, and like I even marked this up. Luckily we didn't like retrace here, like I thought we would, but what can I say? Beautiful. And like I'm really proud of myself for like not cutting this trade off and like letting it breathe, letting it play out. Because we did get a little tiny break above, but then we instantly closed below the moving average. So there you go, boys and girls. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you drop a comment. I do have a Telegram. I guess I didn't go live on Zoom today, but I'm learning. Finally doing things on my own. I've always been a sponge. I've always been in people's communities and like Discords and like their Telegram channels and like trading live with them and like copying and pasting their trades. But now I'm him. Now you can copy and paste my trades. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I trade on the 1 minute time frame. I trade the Nasdaq and Q in the futures market, and caught a beautiful 1 to 3.5 today on the live with everyone. Thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Let's see if I have any Zoom meetings in the morning. I have one at 9:30. So yeah, we can go live tomorrow. We'll go live tomorrow, Wednesday, and we'll go live tomorrow the next day on Thursday. Let me find, where's my words? Oh, there's my words. So yeah. So we'll go live tomorrow, Tuesday. We'll go live tomorrow, Wednesday, and then we'll go live on Thursday. I decided not to trade Mondays or Fridays, so this is the schedule. Thank you guys for tuning in. And again, subscribe, like, comment, and look forward to seeing you guys on the other live stream. And would love to make money with you guys. Do not open an account with an unregulated broker. They could rug pull you when you're trying to withdraw some money, and they could just say your account is terminated for suspicious activity, and they don't have to pay you any money because they're like registered in like I don't know, overseas or something like that, Panama or something. And then like the government, you go to a lawyer, there's nothing they can do because like you shouldn't be trading with an unregulated broker to begin with. But anyways, thank you guys so much for your time. I'm going to end the live stream here. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.